Hello, today I will introduce the plug-in setup for sheet label cutter. First, click the icon to start installing the software. Then, select the language and click the Next. There are three plugins: the Ontology of Software, CorelDRAW plugin and Adobe Illustrator plugin. You can choose which plugin you need to install. And now we tick all the three plugins and click Next. Then enter the serial number and click Next. Then, select the installation location and we suggest install it on somewhere except C disk. Now, we install it on D disk and click Next. Just keep this as default and click Next. And it will start installing. After the installation is complete, click Confirm. It will automatically recognize the version of CDR and then click Install and Confirm. And the same operation of AI and then we click Install and Confirm. Then, tick the software activation and click Finish. Then enter your email address and click Activation. After enter the email address, tick the Send the serial number to the mailbox and click Activation. Then it will indicate that the software is activated successfully and click Confirm. Then, let's open CDR. The plugin will hover on. We can fix it to the header. There are some icons: create contour, set as trace line, merge common segments, autofill page, create cutting form and so on. There is active, deactive software, and we've already activated and click Cancel. And this is plugin for CDR. Then, we open AI and create a new page. If the plugin window didn't show on the page, click the window and tick the plugin. If the window of plugin is not fully displayed, just pull it to the right. And this is plugin for AI.